Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin with credit card on Coinbase. So first thing you're going to need to do is just open your Coinbase wallet and then tap on this one at the top left. And once you tap on that, just go ahead and tap on your profile and settings. Just go to that. Now once you do that, you can actually see here that you can add a payment method. So since we want to buy Bitcoin with credit card, so we're just gonna tap on that. And from here you can see lots of options. So just click on the debit card and then tap on continue. Now once you tap on continue, it will show you lots of prompts, so you just have to follow them and just provide the details of your credit card, and it should be added on your Coinbase wallet. So now just go back to the homepage of Coinbase wallet, and then from here just tap on buy and sell, and then just tap on buy since we're going to buy Bitcoin. So click on that, and then you just have to select Bitcoin right here, and then just go ahead and type in the amount that you want to buy. And once you're done, just tap on the buy at the bottom, and then after that it will ask for your payment method, so you just have to click on that credit card that you have added on your Coinbase wallet. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!